Hi friends, welcome back to MAJAZ Tech. Today's topic is how to get YouTube videos in Telegram. Yes, it's possible. You can search and share YouTube videos without YouTube. So let's get started. Guys, first of all, open Telegram and select a chat which you want to share YouTube videos. Now watch carefully without skipping. This is the only important step you should follow. Now I am typing HVID and giving a space to search like YouTube. Now it's time to search your topic. Here I am searching one of our popular channel unblocking video of Telegram. So let's see will it appear or not. Now you can see here is the list based on our search. So you can scroll down and select a specific video that you required. Guys, it's not a difficult step to select a specific video which you like. So select a video based on your needs. Yes, here is the video that I was searching for. It was in the top. To share this video, just click on it and it's done. If you have a real trouble to access some of the channels in Telegram, I do recommend watch this video. I'll put the link in cards. To assuring you have learned the proper method, I will do it again for you guys. So please check you have learned proper or not. Now this time I am searching the topic, how to solve Telegram download problem. So let's see will it comes or not. I was doing this method for an year and it's very simple and very convenient. Yes, here is the video from our channel and it's in the top. Okay, now let's scroll for another videos. Let's see what we have got in the list. Now you can see there are plenty of videos based on our search. Now click that video which impressed you more. This is also one of the most requested video. I will put the link in here. Now you can watch the entire video from Telegram itself. Now I will tell you one of the main advantage of this method. If you are discussing a topic in a group or personal and someone requests for a video about this topic and you can use this method to share videos. I hope you guys like this video and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next one.